Encap it, encap it, encap it or bust. Scrub with release it and back up the dust. Actually, that's loosely based on Horton Hears a Who. So in this episode of Encap TV, we'll show you how to encap it and clearly define what encapsulation is, ultimately helping you to see how it can benefit your business. Stay tuned. So the release it line really can be used in a number of different encapsulation methods. For example, shampooing. That was the question that the cleaner asked. Is shampooing really encapsulation? Well, in fact, when you're using Encap Clean DS2, what you're doing is you're foaming the carpet, kind of like the old-fashioned shampoo method. What's different is the technology. What we're working with, a crystallizing polymer that dries brittle, breaks down, and vacuums out of the carpet. We also have a hydrogen peroxide-based encapsulation product, which gives you the benefit of hydrogen peroxide to go after organic soils, browning, ice melt, you name it, anything on the organic side, it's going to do an awesome job with. We also have Encap Punch, which now that's a pre-spray that can be used compatibly with all of our encapsulation products, but it can also be used as a standalone hot water extraction rinse detergent, and it can also be used as a great bonnet cleaner. So those three products are unique. We also have BioEncap, which is a green product if your focus is on the environment and green cleaning. We have our original formulation Encap 1 DS, and we have a Encap Basic product. So a number of different products surrounding the idea of a crystallizing polymer. We also have a spot remover, defoamer, soilies. All of these products are built on the foundation of crystallization. We've talked about this before, but the foundation of the Release It product line is the polymer. Our products are loaded with a very costly, in fact, encapsulation polymer, and it's that vehicle that captures the soil, holds it in suspension, releases from the fiber, resists resoiling, and even retards wicking. So let me break that down. What happens with the polymer is it actually grabs the soil. In fact, the polymer we use likes oil, so it actually helps to draw and attract the soil in addition to the detergent blend that we have in our products. So the polymer is actually part of the cleaning process. It grabs the soil. Then it holds the soil in suspension, so it's not going to reattach to the fiber. And because it dries brittle on a flexible fiber, as the solution dries and the fiber flexes and continues to be vacuumed, then the soil can be recovered during that normal routine of post-vacuuming. It also resists resoiling because there's nothing sticky. Everything that's in the blend of detergents and even if we have any solvents, for example an Encap Punch, that's balanced with the polymer on the other side. So there's nothing there that's going to attract soil like traditional chemistry can attract soil. And it also retards wicking, slows the wicking process down. So recurring spills and any kind of wicking condition can easily be corrected. So that's some of the things that makes the Release It encapsulation line unique. What is encapsulation? Well, it's a problem solver. It will solve problems that are common, particularly with commercial carpet. It's also a way to clean more profitably. You can sharpen your pencil and get creative with pricing and be very competitive and actually generate a lot of money because it's such a fast process, very efficient. And ultimately, your customer will get to enjoy cleaner carpet on an ongoing basis because the carpets are going to stay clean longer. So really, that's what encapsulation brings to the table, whether we're using a shampoo type method, bonnet cleaning, hot water extraction method, pad capping, you name it. Encapsulation really is based on the foundation of the chemistry, what's happening at the polymer level, and that's why Release It products really stand out because we use such a good polymer in our crystallizing polymer as it dries down and really helps our products to stand out in the industry. Thanks for watching. If there's anything we can do here to help you max your Encap at Excellent Supply, reach out to us and hit the like button, comment, subscribe, please. We always appreciate it when you do that as well. Till next time, have a great day, and thanks for watching Encap TV.